Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Workbench on macOS. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and type MySQL Workbench download. Okay, enter. So this is the official website where you can download MySQL Workbench on your MacBook. So click on that. Okay. And here we have different version. So I'm going to download this version. Here you can actually select your operating system, the version. Okay, click on download and click on no thanks, just start my download. As you can see, it's downloading. The download is in progress. We have to wait until the download is finished, and then after that I will show you how to install MySQL Workbench. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Yeah, if you have any problem, any question with installation of Workbench, please comment and I will help you with that. Thank you so much in advance. Let's see the download. It's downloading. So the download is finished. Let's open the download folder and open. And now just drag and drop MySQL Workbench on applications. It's copying MySQL Workbench to applications. Yeah, very easy and very simple. If you want to check if it is installed on your MacBook, just Workbench, MySQL Workbench. As you can see, it has been installed successfully. Thank you so much in advance. See you in the next video.